Hi guys, this is Kins and welcome back to Kins Beyond the Closet. If you're watching me for the first time, kindly consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and most importantly guys, to turn on the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, unajua uko home. Welcome and welcome back again. So today guys, I have a very interesting video that I want to share with you guys. I know by now you've already seen the title up over guys, but yes guys, what you're going to do today, you're going to do fridge. I'm restocking my fridge, so I've decided why not share this video with my people guys. So guys, basically that is what we're going to do today, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up guys, so that the video can be exposed to so many people out there and will grow guys. Yes guys, don't forget also my request, guys, let's get to 2k subscribers. I'm always manifesting these 200k subscribers, but yes, let's get to 2k subscribers guys, one step at a time. So guys, when you get to 2k subscribers, I said, and I'll keep my word, I'm going to give to one of you guys, one of my subscribers guys. And previously, if you've watched, if you've been following my videos guys, I had requested you guys to guess out my age, the age I'm turning, and yeah, I saw some few comments. So yes guys, I'm also going to be rewarding that person guys when we get to 2k subscribers. So we'll be rewarding 2 people guys. So keep it here guys, and let's watch the video up to the end.
Eat that money.
Eat that money. Ndio sasa anakula mali yake. Nataka kumaliza. Let me wash my hands.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
Are simple, some of us are wild. We get a little crazy, guess it's just our style. When we come together, I know that we will shine. Some of us got wrinkles every time we smile. Something about the season got us feeling like a child. When we come together, let's
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own.